We just saw a black racer go into the Martin house. Crawled way up into it, so Charlie's bringing that down lower. Okay. So we can rescue. It's probably already eaten whatever babies that were in there. It's in the top, honey. Okay, so how do you get in there? You can bring that tree down if you want. There you go. You see it?
No.
Did it go on the top or did it go on the bottom? Oh, you got it?
No, I just cleaned them.
Why clean it? They're still living there. Don't drop it.
There's nothing there, babe.
I've seen them go in and out in the last 24 hours.
Well, let me get the snake out of it then. There's no eggs. He's eating the eggs.
Ah, it's a rat snake, it's a young one. Here, bring it over here. Oh, that's the one I met last year. You have grown. Here, get a picture of us. How many feet off the ground would you say this baby was?
It's a 15-foot pole.
15 feet. It went up. Now it bit me.
Yeah,
It went up 15 feet. All right, baby, I'm going to let you go over here. And no more eating birds' eggs. Your mama having a problem recently. They are your friends. I'm glad to see it here. It's taken up residence. Now look how tall this house is. Martin house had wrens in it. This has not been a good year for birds on the homestead. We lost 4 bluebird babies that were knocked out of their nest. Lulu, I think, killed a wren and brought it into the garage. And now that snake has eaten the eggs that were in this box that I saw parents going in and out of just last night. And look how tall this was off the ground. So that little snake made it up, all the way up that pole. And I saw it trying to get out a few minutes ago and couldn't figure out how to get back down. So it's kind of stuck. Thank you, Charlie. It is now making its way through the garden through here. So, that's the way we roll here. Don't kill anything we don't have to. Until next time, see you later.